Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. I appreciate you spending some time with me this morning. I'm filming this very quick video. I want to get this up before the Sephora sale actually ends. This is my wish list. A lot of stuff is in my cart and I want to go over that with you as I place my order today. The Sephora sale ends on Monday, April 11th. If you're a beauty insider like I am, you get the 10% off, which is still an amazing deal for brands that you normally don't get any discount off. If you're interested in that, grab your cup of coffee like I have. I used to have a lab, so my mom got, it looks like this is actually a golden retriever, but this reminds me of my yellow lab. And I love this cup because it's huge because I need all the coffee I can get. I went out last night and I'm just like so tired this morning. And also let's address the elephant in the room. I did get my hair done yesterday. It didn't come out like bright blonde like I wanted, the bright highlights that I wanted, but it seems like my hair always it takes like a couple times for it to take, so it's okay. I got a really good haircut. I love my hairstylist. I got a really good haircut. She took off like a lot of the dead ends, and when she curls my hair stays for like days. I don't know what type of magic she does, but I just love it when she curls it. So I don't ever have to like curl it until I wash it. So that's amazing. You know me in real life. I used to straighten my hair like every single day pretty much. And now I'm just like not into it. I just love like curls, or I'll go like and do like my natural wave in the summertime. I love that also, and then I don't have to like worry about it. The only thing with my natural waves is I don't like get as many days out of it as when I like curl my hair because I have to wash it more frequently. Also, I hope this over here, that right there, does not bother you too much. It's starting to bother me actually, but I want to go over the Sephora sale. I did get a couple things already, but these are the items that I still want to get, and I'm going to place an order today. Items that have been on my wish list for quite a while, or I added them today, and not everything I will get because let's just be honest, Sephora is expensive. So I won't get everything, but I will get a few of the items, and then we'll do a video with the items that I did get. So I'm going to turn my screen recording on, and we're gonna go through this. Those are some of my wish list items. I have a lot on my wish list. A lot of it's been on there for years. Some of them are oldies but goodies. Some of them I've tried and I love, so I just put them back on my wish list. Some of them I haven't tried and I want to. So let me know what you guys are getting from the Sephora sale. I would love to review anything that you have for recommendations also. So also, by the way, if you like this type of video, I would love it if you would like this video and subscribe to this channel. I will be back in a few days with another video. I love you guys and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye guys.